Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails based on recipients' time zones in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing features. After you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing to expand the Marketing Tools section. This is where all your email campaigns and marketing automation features live. Once that menu opens, click on Emails to access your email management area. This is where you'll find all your drafted, sent, and scheduled emails. Now, from your list of emails, click on the specific email you want to schedule. This will open up the email editor where you can make any final adjustments before scheduling. Whether it's a promotional email, a newsletter, or an automated campaign, you'll be working with this email to set up the time zone-based scheduling. Once you're inside the email editor, look over at the left side of the screen where you'll see several icons for different options. Click on the clock icon. This icon represents the scheduling feature, which allows you to control exactly when your email gets sent out to your recipients instead of sending it immediately. From the options that appear, click on Schedule for later. This opens up the scheduling settings where you can choose specific dates, times, and importantly, time zone preferences. It's a powerful feature that gives you full control over your email timing strategy. Now you'll see a section that asks, what time zone do you want to use? This is the key part where you can customize how HubSpot handles the delivery timing. By default, HubSpot might use your account's time zone, but there's a more advanced option available here. Click on Recipients Time Zone. This feature ensures that each recipient receives your email at the same local time, no matter where they are in the world. It's especially useful for global campaigns where you want consistency in delivery times. However, keep in mind that using this feature requires you to have an upgraded HubSpot plan, so make sure your subscription includes this functionality before relying on it. After selecting Recipient's time zone, head up to the top of the screen and click on Review and Schedule. This will finalize your settings and queue up your email to be sent out based on each recipient's local time zone. HubSpot will handle all the time calculations automatically, so you don't have to worry about manual adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled your email to be sent based on recipients' time zones in HubSpot, ensuring your message reaches everyone at the optimal local time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.